Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Realme phone if forgot password. So I have Realme 12X 5G in my hand, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Realme phone if forgot password. So you can see enter password. So here you can see incorrect password, please try again. You can see incorrect password, please try again. So how to unlock Realme phone if forgot password, pin or pattern. Okay, to unlock it, first press the volume up and park it together. Now slide downward to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and park it together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. Now release the power key and keep pressing the volume down key and release. So you can see now select language, and you can see recovery, format data, reboot device and power off is available. You can see now tap on format data, and guys you can see please enter verification code, and I would like to inform you that all stored data on this device will be erased after hard reset. So you can see 7776, enter it 7776, and guys you can see format data, all user data will be reset. Now simply tap on format. Wiping, please wait, do not perform any other operations, and you can see data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to unlock Realme phone if forgot password. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.